Working on a 2021 Honda Rebel 500. Replacing front and rear tires, mount and balance. And also replacing the chain. Customer went with the yellow chain, which kind of looks pretty cool with the all blacked out bike. I had to cut the old chain and press the little pin off. When I put the bike on my lift, to lift up the rear, I used my little small scissor lift and I put a piece of old piece of tire just to make sure I don't scratch anything from the oil pan. Now this is the old chain, which you can see once you bend it, it stays bent, which is no good. That's pretty much when you know that it's time to change the chain. Took some pictures of the old adjustment, marked some stuff, and got to grinding. Once I grind it all the way down, I went to press it out. It wasn't too bad of a job, just the fact that I had to count the links about 4 or 5 times just to make sure I'm correct, because if I grind more links that I should have, then it's going to be short. Overall, the old chain had 56 links. I matched it up with the new one, and like I said, I had to cut some links off to match the other one. So I took like around four links, matched to 56 links. Put it in a crank, left it aside until I finished with the rear tire. Once I took the rear tire off the bike, I went to replace it, mount and balance.